We begin with the latest on the brutal killing of 4 people in Barrett Town, St. James this morning, and news this evening that cops are still trying to figure out what's behind the attack.
There are questions as well at this hour about the effectiveness of peace initiatives in the community, which was the scene of a tour hours after the shooting.
This evening we have coverage both of what happened and reaction to the attack. We begin with TVJ's Herman Green.
Oh God Almighty, a pain.
Tears, anguish and fear in Barrett Town, St. James on Wednesday morning. Residents were on the roads when we visited, but shortly after 12 this morning, they were forced to take cover under their beds as gunshots rang out. Gunmen invaded the community and kicked in the door of this house, killing 59-year-old Doreen Brown, her son Wade Wheatley, and Carlton Daly. A 15-year-old who was also shot is now in hospital. A woman who was in the house told our news team how she managed to escape.
Me and Doreen, we live on one bed. I come like say a sign. I call tough man to let me in the house, and tough man not let me in. And Dora say, what do you let in the girl know? Make him come sleep and sit. Oh God. I was here be a shot. Good thing me be fire. Dora. No more.
The sister of Doreen Brown says she is in shock.
When I get the news in at the 2:30 this morning, I hear that they killed my sister and his son. It shocked me because Doreen no deserve it and Doreen don't trouble people. So I don't know what's happened. Make them come and kill his son and kill her.
The gunmen's rampage did not end there. They continued in the neighboring community of Barrett Hall, where they killed 35-year-old bartender Nardia Cunningham. Councillor for the Rose Hall Division, Anthony Murray, wants the police to consider stricter actions.
We need to have a state of emergency for St. James. I am in support. I know that my fellow councillor Charles Sinclair had made that appeal, and I'm in full support of it. We need to get serious and get rough, or even get rough on this crime situation. Let's get another fan.
Herman Green, TVJ News.